eat and roast. Nothing else. Eat and roast. This is a very, very funny maize with a head and a neck. Today I decided I'm going to have corn for supper. This is where I'm going to have my corn. Here, right here. See that fire? I have them here. You can see some corns here, the maize plants. And here, I don't know whether you can see them. Aha! And these sticks, let's say I got some small corns that if I put them in the fire, I'm going to get burnt. So I use the sticks. I stick them with this stick and then put them in the fire. So let's see how it's gonna be. You see, when burning corn, you don't take off this part because it's gonna help you when you put it in the fire. You don't want to have your hands get burnt. So removing them, you don't want to cut off this stalk because this is what you are going to hold when you put it in the fire, so that you prevent it from sitting on the ash directly. You see guys, if you want to enjoy corn, this is how you do it. You eat, but you burn others. That way, I don't know whether you can see it that way. By the time you are done eating the last one, you don't even count. You just eat and roast. Nothing else. Eat and roast. So by the time I am done roasting these ones, and you don't roast them all at once, because you see, like this one, it's already roasted and it's at the side. So by the time I'm done eating this one, I'll go get it directly. But if I stay too long, it will be cold and it will start turning hard, and I'm not going to enjoy it. And just that one roast maize right there, it can ruin everything. My plan to eat all these can be ruined directly. And if I don't eat them today, and they go overnight and I don't roast them today, tomorrow they won't be as fresh as they are now. So the best way to do it, eat fast as you roast. Point of doing all this is because it's fun and sweet. This is, guys, it's amazing. You have no idea. Guys, let me tell you. The way my father told me, it's not good to put the knife down. So put it somewhere like you can see it well. Now when roasting maize, one thing you have to do, make sure you have water nearby. As for me, I like rainwater, so I have a storage here for rainwater. It's a tank, about 2,500 liters. And don't worry, it's clean. This water is amazing. Yeah, that's about right. Some clean water from the rain. I don't know whether you can see it, but it's pretty clean. It tastes good too. So next victim is this one. Now when eating it, now you can take off the stalk so that you can put them out. Remember, if they are charred or roasted, you can use the knife to take the black stuff off. That it. There you go. Amazing, amazing.